Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching and spending a little time with me today. So for today's video, we're going to be memory planning for the week of January 25th, the last week of January, in my Recollections Celestial planner. And this is a kit by Destash With Designs, so I've already laid down the base of the kit and kind of what our already anticipated my plans are going to be for the week. So if you want to check out how I've already pre-planned for this week, then I'll have that video linked down below, or it'll just pop up in the cards so you can check it out. But if you're here for the memory plan with me, then I'm just going to go in day by day, use the leftovers from the kit and some of my stickers to memory keep with whatever happened the day that I'm memory planning on. Anyways, let's get started with Monday. So first up with Monday, I'm going to take a snowflake mandala from Honey Inked, and then it's like a scalloped semicircle from Sadie stickers, which I got from her 2020 advent calendar. And I'm just going to layer those together so that, hopefully that'll look cute. And that's just to mark that I had a really great, intuitive day on Monday. I've been pulling a tarot card every day ever since the inauguration, and just to kind of strengthen my intuition and divination and spirituality and everything. And so I had a really cool experience with that on Monday, where I was shuffling my cards, and I had meditated with them and everything, and shuffled them all up. And then what I do is I just place them face down and pull whatever one is on the top of the deck. And when I had put my hand down on the deck to grab the card before I flipped it, something told me that it was going to be the Fool. I don't know how. I mean, I guess it was just intuition. I don't know. I just touched the deck and I was like, it's the Fool. And then when I pulled it over, it was the Fool. It was like, whoa, I've never had my intuition that sharp before. So it's really great to see that that it's paying off, trying to flex that intuition, kind of like a muscle, you have to strengthen it. And so yeah, it was just wild. And then just to separate that, I used a little strip of washi and a little swirly flourish from Honey Inked. Then I'm going to take a couple of transparent dots from the Giving Girl, and then one of the hexagon bow icons from the kit with the little laptop, because I needed to order our groceries, because we just do the Walmart grocery pickups, and it's pretty convenient to just drive up and they'll put them in the trunk for you and everything's contactless. And then I'm going to take a half box from the kit because I did have to go to Walmart. We just needed a few things for Monday night's dinner. I just didn't have time to do the whole grocery shopping. So I ordered the groceries to pick up Tuesday, but then we also had to just run into Walmart really quick just to grab a couple of cans of things and some produce, just to get through Monday night's dinner. Then I'm going to layer that with this really pretty mandala trim from Honey Inked. And then I have these little dangly deco, from the Giving Girl. I love how the sheet comes with these little clipboards that are really cute to use, but then also, Jen thought, let me put in something in the middle so it's not a waste of sticker space and stuff. So she just added these random little dangly bits, and they're so cute. And then I'm going to take some of these snowflake decos from Honey Inked just to kind of spread throughout the whole entire spread, because this is my last winter spread, and so I wanted it to look extra cozy and wintry and pretty. The quote box didn't have those mandala snowflakes in the corners, but I put those there some other, I don't know, off camera. And then I thought I'd just add a couple little mini snowflakes too. And for my gratitude on Monday, I just wrote intuition, because again, that was just so wild. It was really cool. Tuesday, I'm going to take a little circular starry deco from Strawberry Creek Studio and a hexagon bow icon with the shopping cart from the kit, because we had to go and pick up our grocery order. So we went and picked that up around 2 or 3, I don't know, whatever time. that was our window. Then I'm going to take a quarter box from the kit and a little running shoe from Crafts by Thaowie. I love this sheet. This is a new sheet. I haven't hauled it yet, but it will be in my February haul. And, oh wait, did I haul it? Maybe I did haul it. Just kidding. It was in my January haul. Anyways, I love these little running shoes. I love this whole fitness sheet. So I'm going to take that, and then I'm also going to take a little dainty side bow from Sadie Stickers as well, just to go in the corner there. Then I'm going to take a half box from the kit, and I'm just using that to mark that we watched some Bridgerton. We I don't like I was watching it every single day, but I don't mark it in my planner. I just will mark things that, like if I don't have anything else more important or unique to mark in my planner, then I'll mark, things like closing my rings or working out or something we watched on TV. It was kind of an uneventful day. So anyways, we've been watching it every day, but I just didn't have anything else to mark. So I'm just watching that we watched Bridgerton at night. So I'm using some of these new $2 Tuesdays from The Giving Girl with these gorgeous little bow fairy string lights. So cute. I'm using those, and I'm going to take a little TV doodle from Wild Summer Designs and some of Jen's new little heart clusters from The Giving Girl from another $2 Tuesday. I love her $2 Tuesday. So good. So good. So anyways, I'm marking Bridgerton. I'm also going to use some snowflakes just to kind of, sparkle and snowy up the half box. And then I also used a little swirly divider flourish thingy from Sadie Stickers to separate that. And yeah, we have, I feel like everybody's jumping on the Bridgerton train, and I love the Regency era, and I kind of like Regency Renaissance. I like those kind of eras. For my Gratitude Tuesday, I put closed rings. So anyways, so yeah, we thought we would check it out. It's kind of a slow build for me. Like I was kind of like pretty bored with the show for the first 4 or 5 episodes, honestly. It was quite boring to me. But eventually it got better and better, and then I really enjoyed it at the end. It was a very good show with the character development and like the tension building and different storylines that were all going on at the same time. It was pretty good, and I did love the diversity and inclusiveness as well. So yeah, it was kind of boring at first, but I would recommend it if you kind of like romantic dramas and the Regency era, like a period drama. Yeah, then for sure watch it. It's on Netflix. Anyways, though, so on Wednesday, I'm gonna take this half box along with an RX pill bottle and a refill prescription script from Strawberry Creek, along with a super duper tiny little dainty adorable side bow from The Giving Girl from another $2 Tuesday. Then I'm going to take a rose colored Daze Nikki squiggle just to put under there. And then I'm going to take a strip of washi along with this little flourish from Honey Inked just to separate the day. And a few more little snowflake icons because we had to go to the pharmacy on Wednesday to refill my prescription. Then moving on to the bottom of Wednesday, I'm going to just mark that I had to update my budget, my checkbook and stuff. So I'm taking a pretty little silver page flag from Sadie Stickers. And then I have this budget like a hashtag like a boss doodle script from, so it used to be Banana Doodle Shop, but she changed her name to like, I think it's Caffeine Paper Co, I want to say. I don't know, but if you just type in Banana Doodles on Google or whatever, it'll come up. But I'll just have all of these shops linked down below, of course. As always, every week, the shops are all linked down below. Anyways, so I'm taking a budget hashtag like a boss script, and I'm going to layer that with the Sadie Stickers flag and then a little mini mandala from, is it mandala or is it mandala? Because I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to take one of those little mini snowflake mandalas from Honey Inked just to mark that I had to update my budget. And then I'm going to do a whole bunch of like deco planner embellishment, planner jewelry stuff. Because I was left with this huge white space, and it was kind of an awkward situation because of the little mini mandalas. So it looks really pretty, and I'm happy with how it turned out, but it's not practical. But I didn't really have anything else to mark anyways. So moving on, I'm going to take one of these little crescent moon quarter boxes from Strawberry Creek from an older $1 Wednesday, just to mark that I had to do my moon journaling on Wednesday. Then I'm going to take another one of those flourishes from Sadie Stickers, which I kind of wish I'd gone back to Tuesday and changed out that flourish to maybe some other kind of a divider, because I'm not a fan of how they are kind of so close together, even though they're a different kind of design. It's still very similar, very close together, so I didn't notice that at first, but I don't know. It's not going to kill me, so I just left it alone. Once I finally did figure it out, it was kind of too late, and I was like, oh, whatever. Anyways, though, I think that this looks really pretty. I'm just taking more of those little dangly pretty things from The Giving Girl, the deco, and then the little snowflakes from Honey Inked, just kind of like at the end of a couple of them to make it look like little snowflakes are dangling. Oh, so cute. It reminds me of like I don't know, like little paper snowflakes that you hang from the ceiling with like some made with silver foil, so they're super sparkly and they're like cute little decorations. I don't know. It's really pretty. My Wednesday gratitude, I wrote control. I don't even remember what I was like grateful for being in control of, but because I was like last week, but I don't know, I wrote control, so whatever. Um, Thursday, I'm going to take a strip of washi and then another flourish from Honey Inked just to separate the section there from the checklist and the full moon. And then some more of the little dangly deco from the Giving Girl. Since there was kind of a little bit of awkward white space right there underneath the Build You envelope. And then I'm going to take one of the arrows in the kit and I'm going to layer that with a transparent heart icon from Wildzomer Designs and the Giving Girl, one of her little mini heart clusters, because my in-laws came over to help us, so I was really grateful for their help. They came over because they have this really tall ladder, and they helped us to take some of the, like take the Christmas lights off of the house, because we don't have a ladder long enough for that, and then they also helped us with like the light bulbs in the kitchen needed to be replaced. And again, our ladder's not long enough because we have these stupid long, like stupid high cathedral ceiling. I hate them so much. And they're just too high. Like what for, you know? So we need a really tall ladder to change the light bulbs up there. So they came over and helped us. And I was grateful Thursday that I did 3 workouts because my goal every day is to do, except for on the weekends, but like Monday through Friday, my goal is to do a cardio workout, then take a like short little walk around the neighborhood, and then do yoga at night. And usually I'm pretty good at doing the cardio and the yoga. I mean, the cardio and the walk, but I'm not consistent with doing the yoga lately. But I did manage to do all 3 on Thursday, so that was a great feeling. Then moving on to Friday, I'm taking a half box, and I had to lift up the corner of the full moon a little bit there to make it fit under there, with the mandala trim from Honey Inked and some of those gorgeous little bow fairy lights from the Giving Girl and a TV doodle from Wildzomer Designs. Just to mark that on Friday we finished Bridgerton, and then a little heart cluster from the Giving Girl as well, and some snowflakes from Honey Inked as well, just to make it super extra, you know me. So yeah, finally finished Bridgerton. Actually, I like it enough. I'm actually excited to see season 2. So there's a lot of unanswered questions there that I'm kind of, you know, I'm needing the answers to. So then I'm going to take one of these little scalloped bow corners from Sadie Stickers and just kind of layer that with one of the scalloped corners from the kit because I just love scalloped corners. And then I'm going to take a little mini snowflake mandala from Honey Inked and another rose Colored Daze Nikki squiggle. And so I kind of realized I basically left myself no room to write anything, and I had wanted to write in like Target Run or Target Trip or something. So I was like, darn, this looks really cute though, so I don't want to change it. So then I was like, do I have a script that says a Target that I could just put there? And unfortunately, no, I don't. I did order actually some, but they haven't come yet. So instead, I'm just taking a little bow doodle shopping bag from Dash of Sun just to put in there, and I'm gonna just doodle a little Target symbol on the bag myself and just DIY it. It looks kind of janky, but whatever. And for my gratitude Friday, I just wrote that's grateful for finishing Bridgerton. I don't know why I put finished with an E at the end of it. I think I was supposed to write finished, and I didn't write the D. Anyways, who knows? Saturday, I'm just checking off my checklist, and I'm taking another strip of washi and a Honey Inked flourish to separate the day. Then I'm going to double up on these little page flags that come in the kit, and I'm going to use a book stack from Sharie Designs. Sharie is so sweet, and I met her at Go Wild 2019 and sat at her table. Love Sharie. So I'm going to take a couple of her little book stacks and a side bow from Simply Watercolor Co. because my son and my husband went to the library. I would have come with, but I had to work on Saturday, so they went to the library so that, because they were doing like a winter reading challenge, and so my son completed the winter reading challenge. He's had to turn in his little submission, and so that hopefully he gets a chance to win either, they said the prize was either a $25 gift card or movie tickets, so yeah, they went to turn in his submission. For our movie night, I am writing in the movie we watched on Netflix, which is called Finding Ohana. And I'm just going to decorate the half box with some little bows from the Giving Girl and some little snowflakes from Honey Inked. And then I also have a little flourish from Sadie Sticker's dad in there just to make the whole thing look pretty. And it was a pretty cool movie. I liked it. It's about a family that is like visiting Hawaii, and they're like looking for treasure. So that's all I'll say. So I don't give away too much of the plot, but it's a really good family movie, family friend. Well, it's PG. There's a couple of mature jokes and whatever, but mostly it's like, a good family movie. So we liked it. And for my gratitude for Saturday, I wrote PM routine because I've been just getting pretty good at like sticking to and committing to like my nighttime routine, winding down. I'm really trying to focus on improving my sleep because I have had insomnia for many years. And, being on a weight loss journey, sleep is very important to being healthy and losing weight. So, I just don't want to feel fatigued all day. I want to feel refreshed, and I want to make sure I'm being as healthy as I can be and losing weight so I can be at my goal weight and everything. So yeah, I'm trying to focus on getting a good night routine and sleeping well, So anyways, Sunday I am taking a quarter box. No, it's like a third box, I think, from the kit. And just to write in, we had our grocery pickup from Walmart again on Sunday. And then I'm going to take a snowflake mandala from Dash's son to just pop in there. Then I'm taking this little leftover flourish thing that I made and like never used to separate the day. And then I'm going to take, finish off my checklist. I didn't meal prep on Sunday, so I didn't check that off. And then I'm going to take the other arrow in the kit with one of these cute little see-through bow flags from the Giving Girl, just to mark that I went to Michael's because they were having a sale on their 3 washi organization drawers. Pretty good sale, and I needed another one, so I was glad to have another washi drawer. So that's why I wrote that for my gratitude on Sunday as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this memory plan with me. If you enjoyed it, then please give me a thumbs up because I do appreciate your support. It helps out my channel and helps out this video. So thank you so much if you give it a thumbs up. Be sure you're subscribed if you're not already. I make 2 to 3 videos a week so that way you don't miss out on my videos. And leave me a comment if you have a question or if you just want to say hi, because I'll say hi back. I respond to all of my comments. I hope that you all are well. Remember that you are loved, you are worthy, and you are enough just the way that you are. And don't let anyone ever tell you otherwise. I hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have a wonderful rest of your day and your first week of February coming up, and I will see y'all in my next video. All right, take care, y'all. Bye.